Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to install N8N locally. So we want to go to the editor, and this is the exact URL you can use, localhost colon 5678. Okay, you can use this editor and basically launch N8N locally. So you can use npx. Now this one will require node.js. You can just type in npx N8N, or you can deploy this with Docker as well. Okay, and go ahead and type this in exactly as it is, run the command, and you will get this, right? Then all you need to do is run your integrations, connect with everything using the API, set up your workflow, and set up your automation like that. Okay, really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.